Ngadibana endleleni kwentsuku betha ngempama abangempama bangambona endleleni uSomizi. I used to respect uSomizi. I used to respect uSomizi. I used to love uSomizi. But what he did or she did, I don't know. What she or he or what. But what she did, I hate her or him from today. Uyadelela uSomizi. And now it's a time to respect our local artist. Musha did well. Umusha was a part of the event. She did well. Or he did well. Yafana yonke lanto. uSomizi uzozenza unathi ku-president. Uzozenza who is Somizi? Who is Somizi? Uzozenza upresident. Thixo, njengobecinga ubhetele uyamuyisa pha phantsi uThixo. Because what she did, bubusela laa nto uba imali yomntu wawuhambe uyomaketha i-event engakhange kubize. I receive calls ngapha nangapha, why usithi kwiposter yakho unoSomizi kodwa uSomizi uthi ku-live wakhe xa ufika e-airport, let's meet somewhere. I'm not going to mention the name of the club because ayenzanga nto club. Umuntu orongo artist le bendiyibize from Joburg to Eastern Cape. Izofika yona yenza amasimba nina nationals. Ayonda yotshayela intsangu Eastern Cape nina man. Ayonda yotshayela intsangu le province yase Eastern Cape. Ayonda yotshayela intsangu, ayonda uphambanela Eastern Cape. Abo bakufutshane noSomizi bamxelela ba singadibana endleleni kwentsuku betha ngempama abangempama bangambona endleleni uSomizi. Untshontsile uSomizi. Guys are working hard for the mali yethu. Umuntu angagqibi ne 2 minutes awugqiba uthatha abantu kwi-event yakho uhamba nabo uya kwenye event kodwa ubhukwe nguwe uSomizi. Anifuna imali yam back, makayitye. Akayitye ahluthe mpu. Guys, umuntu angagqibi ne 2 minutes and akaqali uSomizi ukwenza lento. uSomizi wafika kwiBerlin November. Wathi hi ebantwini wawevisa kwiBerlin November. Awugqiba wehle stage ohlala ehotel the whole day. Uyaphinda futhi. uSomizi usithatha njengantoni? Somizi.
Hello everybody, Somizi here. I'm here to address the issue yesterday East London at an event that I was booked at Boogie Petega Main B, and he has just posted something talking about me and my level of professionalism. So I will address it. Let's start. So we get the booking for the event. We can only do the Sunday part of the event. Then they pay the deposit, great. Then they eventually pay the full amount, great. Then we start communicating. My manager starts communicating with them to ask them, where's the accommodation? Now, we manage what time our flights? Then they send the flights sharp. But we specifically said, I have a gig earlier that day in Johannesburg. Now note that I have a gig earlier that day in Johannesburg. Can I take the last flight 5:30 to East London and then I will come straight to the gig? They said no, the gig ends at 6. So when I meant B, ask your guy Lol Ologa who was doing your things, ask him what he said to us first. He said the gig ends at 6 sharp. I cancel the gig as a Johannesburg because I want you guys book me first. We take a 12 o'clock flight. We've been asking about accommodation 2 days before the event. Day before the event, we've been giving the dilly daily. Eventually, this Gwili guy says, we've booked you a Hemingway's. Yes, well, I insisted with Hemingway's. One corner suite for me and one suite for my manager. One standard room for my manager. Sharp. They say sharp. We ask about accommodation. Here we ask about accommodation. Here we ask about accommodation. Up until we got on the flight at 12. Then he says, booking confirmed at Hemingway's. Sharp. We are on the flight. He says he will pick us up. He knows the flight details. Sharp. We arrive. He's not there. We call. He hasn't left the hotel. Now, I must wait at the airport for 25 minutes. Melan and I, no, I don't work like that. Because I want to get off the plane, straight into my car, waiting for me. I'm not supposed to be waiting for the car as an artist or a talent. Sharp. I immediately request Uber from my pocket. Uber arrives, we leave. Then he calls. The car is 17 minutes away, and then we tell him, no, with Uber, don't bother. Sharp. We leave. I'm already saying Kwatil. Sharp. We get to the hotel. We check in. As I'm signing my room paper, my manager signs, they give us a speed point. I'm like, speed point? But you know, the rooms have been paid for. My manager calls Gwili. Gwili, the rooms are not being paid for. He says, wait for us at reception. I'm like, yo, cause yeah. We wait at reception. No, I'm not waiting at reception. I'm tired. I want to rest before the show. Luckily, the hotel is nice enough. They say, no, go wait in your suite. They will come sort it out. Thank you. They give us rooms. Nothing is paid. We wait. I'm like, but they said the events end at 6 and it's now 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock. Nothing is happening. We're asking, when is my slot? They sent my slot at 6. The 6 Liberty, the gig ends now. Hey! Wow. Ankwatile manje. Ngiporeke sharp. Bathi bangifuna a stage ngo 10. Ngithi mina I can't make it ngo 10 because I already have another gig in East London, Azuro. I have another gig, Azuro. Now, his gripe is that I'm busy posting which is say Azuro. I am not posting him. When we made it clear, you pay for me to post. I don't know about other artists. The only time I will post for free is because of the relationship I have with the promoter. It's because of how nice the promoter is. Ubuntu, I will do that. But you're not gonna instruct me to post. That's not my job. You pay for marketing, and it's not my job to publicize the event. I will post from the goodness of my heart. Don't tell me what I should post. Otherwise, you pay for it. You are paying me for my services to MC at your event. And we made that clear. So, my deal na Azura is fine in Yaki. I find it at all. But if they were nice from the onset, I was going to say, I'm ready, I'm coming there without pay. But sharp, I'm not obliged to post. Then I go to Azuro, and then at 10 we drive to the event. Now I'm communicating with another artist that I'm supposed to be introducing, but he's also stuck at the hotel. It's just that artists will never be bold to talk or speak out. All the artists that were there were very unhappy. Very unhappy. It was the most disorganized concert or event that I've ever been to. Disorganized. Now, I arranged transportation, ground transportation for myself to take me to the thing. I arranged security for myself. Azure even provided extra security to take me to the venue. They provided nothing. Zilch, zero, fuck all. We get there, they're already agitated. Stefan, we're matching the energy. Ati, you can go sit at the marquee. No, I don't want to sit at the marquee. I'm here so that I'm speaking to the production organizer. I'm saying I'm here so that you don't say I did not come. But I am going on stage. I'm going to go once and I leave. Because you met none of the obligations or the agreement that we spoke about. This production guy has the audacity to say name one. I said to him, I'll name 5. And I named them all. You did not fetch me at the airport on time. You did not pay for the accommodation. You did not send me the schedule on time. You did not arrange transport. The car that I'm in right now, you don't know it. You did not provide anything that we've agreed on. The only thing that even the flights, I canceled the gig because of you. So nothing has been provided for. I'm getting stage and touching my community to choose the artist Mhambe. And that was it. And I knew good this was coming, but I thought if Anengondo he will realize that he messed up. That event was a flop. The stage is a corner, guys. Hitafula. Literally, hitafula. If you can get injured there, it's game over. I don't know what was the whole thing about, but something was off about that event. Something was off. Ask any artist that was there, they will tell you. Ask any audience member that was there, they will tell you. I met people at the reception of the hotel who came for the event. They said what a waste of our time. Their experiences were worse than that. I met artists that told me that were playing there, which they've ended up spending more money from their own pockets to cover certain things. And he knows the truth. Lastly, yesterday, because I extended my day, yesterday I'm going out with my friends. The reception calls me and says, "Hi, Put, accommodation hasn't been paid for." I paid for my accommodation. I paid for my accommodation. I paid for my ground transport. I paid for everything except for my flights. And on top of that, my manager sends me a text, says they've cancelled our return flights. Said, no problem, I'll buy my own flights. So yeah, that is the story. And he says I did this East London July, whatever, I forgot that thing. It's because of the same reason. I am the most professional. My work ethic is unmatched. But don't disrespect my craft and don't disrespect me, because I deliver according to how I'm being treated. And if only 2 events where I did that, and both were East London, and I'm fine. Don't ever put me again. I don't want your business. If you promote, I've done gigs in East London, London Roots, Azuri, you name them. Promoters in East London, they do the most beautiful job. Beautiful gig. It's those that think just because they've got access to finances or something, I don't know, or they don't want to invest in professional stuff. So I'm good, Papa. And you are not gonna get your money back because you inconvenienced me in a whole lot of ways. So sharp. And you can call me names. I honestly don't care. I don't know you. I've never met you. And then here's about you, Bouncer or Shayana. I siyabonga put nyakusaba mina. Grand. Thank you, people, for listening. And I'm done with responding.